Ole, Mizoram, Sorkhar, le Union Bank te chuanin MOU on sign tarup maya Mizoram hian ma kan som zel don ni na langa along khop mai hem po ni se an MOU sign na an tu soi tlang puite kan ngai thla ho do na ni.
So all the nodal banks are here, and today we are very happy that we are going to sign MOA with Union Bank of India. So the official in charge, Dr. Surajit, is also here with another two local officers. Okay. So and also Purabhat is with us, the official in charge of NCDC. Yeah. So we are also planning to have an MOU with them, but today we may not able to, but we'll discuss. And the secretary is also here. Secretary Corporation Department. Yeah, he just arrived. And apart from that, what departments are there, Purabhat? Vetty department. And what else? Other departments, CNI. And then Agri Department, Soil and Social Welfare. Okay, so I think even our secretary has another meeting at 2:30. Since he's the signatory of this MOU, we may directly, proceed for signing of MOA. While signing this, we would like to have to get together around here again. Okay, so do you have that som sanga ni so ani ka se chip pon mo poma fana mo so do to pon ne yang atang khanin hun to te kan mang lok don ya. Now I'd like to invite Dr. Surajit to kindly briefly highlight about the contents of our MOA.
Most respected all the dignitaries present here. Very good afternoon to all. We, the Union Bank of India, one of the largest public sector bank in India, over business mix of 22.40 lakh crore, and we have a market share of around 9% across India in the industry. We have 8671 branches, 8,300 ATMs, and over 26,500 BCs catering across India. We are good people to bank with, as our tagline says. In Mizoram, we have branches in Aizawl, Khozol, Mamit, Saitual, Aizawl West, and Aizawl South. This year, we have already opened 4 branches, and we are in process of opening other branches. And we are also covering the entire states through our dedicated BC network. We have best-in-class proven state-of-the-art technologies, best-in-class advanced cybersecurity, data privacy, and all compliance standards, including advanced ISO certifications. We are front-runners in all government social security schemes, and today in Mizoram, our CTDC is over 100%. We are handling DBT projects worth 30,000 crore in various states like Assam, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, etc. Recently, we have made a DBT transactions of over 15 lakh beneficiaries in the state of Assam. We are handling state treasuries of big states like Maharashtra, West Bengal, Punjab, Assam, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Himachal Pradesh, Kerala, Haryana, Odisha, Tamil Nadu, to name a few. We are the principal nodal bank of various Government of India central ministries like Ministry of Environment and Forests, Ministry of Labour and Employment, Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, Ministry of Science and Technology. We are successfully running various government programs to various states across India with our proven legacy and experience of over 107 years. We, in our beloved Mizoram state, we are committed to serve the flagship program Banakai scheme with smiling faces always. Banakai scheme is a unique scheme, is aimed at fostering self-reliance, inclusive economic development to contribute to the realization of Viksit Bharat, developed India, and the achievement of United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs. It is designed to benefit and empower the citizens by providing them the required financial, technical, infrastructural, institutional support through a whole government approach. Today marks a significant milestone in our ongoing efforts to foster sustainable development and economic growth within our beloved Mizoram state. To be a key partner with the government of Mizoram in the state's developmental journey by further strengthening development of financing and promoting inclusive growth. Union Bank of India is committed to citizen-centric financial empowerment and socio-economic development in our beloved Mizoram state. We extend our heartfelt gratitude for giving us this opportunity and sincere gratitude to our Honorable Chief Minister sir, advisors sir, and all the dignitaries for giving us valuable guidance, wisdom, advice that makes this momentous historic partnership happen through this Banakai scheme. Thank you, sir. Thank you all.
Most welcome. So, yeah, it's very inspiring, and they really walk fast. I think it takes only 1 week to negotiate to sign this MOU. So I'd like to invite our secretary to say a few words.
Thank you very much. So I think today it's another milestone in the journey of the hand-holding scheme. So in the past years, we have been deliberating at length on how we should design the scheme and various other MOUs with the banks also. So I think this is a very significant step in which we are taking a step further beyond the 3 banks which we have already signed the MOU with. So just our friends from the Union Bank was mentioning about the Viksit Bharat and all this. So we have a target in the government of Mizoram that by 2047 we should contribute around at least 1% of India's GDP. Now we are only contributing a 0.1% and also increase the per capita income to around 16 lakhs. So that is a very huge task indeed. But our hand-holding scheme is the tool through which we plan to move towards that. So I think this is a very significant step. And so this memorandum of agreement which we are about to sign is similar to the one which we have already signed with SBI, MRB and Apex Bank. So the only one small change or addition that the Indian Bank had suggested and we agreed to is that the government of Mizoram agrees that those schemes itself do not cast entire liability or burden on the second party to recover the loans amount sanctioned to the progress partner. So they want some hand-holding in terms of recovery of loan as well. So that is already part of the responsibility of the parties, which is there at para 6, wherein we have mentioned that the first party will monitor the progress of the unit to ensure success and help the second party for timely repayment of the installments. So rest assured, that is already there as part of the agreement, and also it's already there with the agreement with other banks as well. So this is the MOU which we are to sign, and we thank the Indian Bank for taking this step. Thank you.
All right. Now, our CEO, if you want to say a few words, let's invite. Then you can sign the MOU.
Good chairman. Agreement kan sign le the dona alone of maya agreement kan sign le ina ianin kan chief minister inaram mai poi mo inaram chai ma so the plan initiative for la chini ko kan advisor president the local na chata this one in UBI namin paper ana entry chara kan secretary na check le ka do not on supply and see the car the name on see project the ZPM chuan poina ingen kan sign lo ta lo mo maya kan nei thak ang khanin na Union Bank of India ne na agreement siam tu chu arang khop mai mania deng dang kan ko ko kan an hi chuan tel lo ba mai ro chu ti chuan anon lang thuta yen arem ma ni alom oma kita ka ho sa an sen
Apoy lo cho yang
Anak ku nak kan anak ni yang
Ồ, phải xanh thế làm gì? Cái số mà cái xanh thế làm gì? Xanh hand over kan ni bang.
Anh thân đâu mà lại hàng ăn từ đâu nhé.
Request sama initial.
Yeah.
Nah, only initial. So we can give full signature also.
Pinakan sign dek bro. So.
Anh thân nhát cả thằng ở phía từ 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 con nhiều
Nó là một cái thân.
ZPM party lâu chu kan rang ta na chuang lo kan som ve chim le ma chak le thang na mi te lo ho ru ZPM party a kal kum thar ram kal siam thaturin zo pale telung rualin in sui khom ni la zo ram wa zen la tla kan ni siamang o zo ram lung phang lo la ba na kai yang hen ho ding
Kan ini sen kan dua ni. Bukan saya so mấy anh cái này sen sen.
Juan ruat mi huai sente ang lo chua ke zo ranta idik na chan ho nei tu rin kal kum tharange lo ho ru ZPM partia kal kum tharange kal siam thaturin telung rualin in sui ho